In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord error 3002. Now, this is a specific engine error that triggers when Discord's WebRTC audio wrapper fails to establish a connection with your microphone hardware. And this happens if the Windows 11 privacy layers have locked down global peripheral access, your system audio mixer sample rates have dropped, or Discord's voice passing thread has stalled. So what you want to do is go over to your settings dashboard. Then on the left side, select privacy and security. And then once you're in the privacy security section, all you want to do is go under app permissions and then click on microphone. So then ensure the master toggle switch for microphone is turned on. And if you want to go a further step, just go over to Discord and just make sure that is enabled over there as well. And what you can also do is clear exclusive controller sound mixer flag. So to do this, what you got to do is right click your volume icon on the bottom right, and then go over to sound settings. Scroll down and then you're going to see more sound settings as one of the options. And once it's here, go ahead and jump over to the recording tab, highlight your active microphone. So mine is here, right click it and then go ahead to properties. And once you're here, go over to the advanced tab layer. And then from there, all you got to do is under the exclusive mode section block, uncheck the box for allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. So what you want to do is uncheck that, press apply and then press OK. And then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.